Welcome back. Sorry I've been gone so long. Just wanted to talk about this. This is the YardMax. Bought this 2 years ago now. This is the second year I've been using it. It's been fantastic. Bought it from Tractor Supply. It's got a Briggs & Stratton motor in it. The width is perfect at 18 inches, so it really gets the plant spacing of 24 to 36 inches. You can run it right down, kind of cultivate all those weeds out that we always forget to do. 7 depth adjustments, which is really, really nice. It's got 3/4 of a gallon fuel tank. I haven't seen any issues with excessive fuel use. I've only filled it, I think, twice. I was able to do my garden, expand it, and even do it a couple more times throughout the time. Dual rotation on the tines, front and back, which is really nice. Front for really cultivating, back for deep soil tilling. It's a wonderful thing to have. I suggest everybody, look at getting one. If you're looking at this at a new tiller, look at the YardMax, give it a shot. You never know if you like it. Good thing is, 2-year residential warranty, 90-day commercial warranty. So give it a shot, take a look at them, see what you think.
I'm falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. Go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm poking out my head through open windows. 'Cause that's what I feel like doing tonight. Waking up my brain, maybe you can do the same thing. Want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. And when it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. You want me to say something?